Hi guys, this is what I have here. So 1, 2, 3. We have a new camera. Our camera is here. Our camera is here. Our camera is here. I'm so excited. It's finally in because I've been doing my vlogging on my iPhone 12 and so excited. So let's go unbox it. Okay, let's go unbox it. I want to have a little unboxing video, so let's go open it up. So guys, I'm done unboxing. Let's test them. Okay, we didn't spend all that money to get gadgets that are not working. If it's not working, I take them back to Amazon. because I got it from there. I'll return it. You write that down, I'll take it back because this camera is expensive. It's expensive for no reason, but well, it's good. It's good. So yeah, I'm currently filming on the camera. On the camera it came with, but I have the accessories here. So let's test the accessories. Okay, starting with the mic. Let me turn it on. Yeah, so the mic is on now. The mic comes with this fluffy thing that it's a windshield. Yeah, it's a windshield, so it isolates your voice from the wind when you're outside. So this is how the mic sound. Can you hear me? Is there a difference? Are you working? Yeah, I'm guessing it's working. So the mic, it also comes with this magnet, okay? This magnet that if you don't want to, if you're doing something and you think the mic will like distract you, you just stick it to your shirt and then you are good to go. Yeah, so that is the mic for you. It comes with a windshield and a fluffy and the magnet. Okay, so I'll just put it down. Next is the protector. I've realized if you show an item, it focuses on the items rather. Are you guys paying attention to it? Like if I show this, it kind of makes me blur. Yeah, it makes me blur and it picks this. So this is the protector for the camera. Yeah, so you put your camera in it so it doesn't fall. And it has this little space over here that you can like stick your mic to. Yeah, so you can like stick the mic to it. Next is this strap, wrist strap, which I think is very good for me because I'm very clumsy, but it just, you attach it to the camera and you just hold it on your hand so it doesn't fall. This is so good for me because guys, I'm so clumsy. Okay, yeah. Next, tripod. A mini tripod. So they give you a mini tripod in case you're outside and you want to vlog, you just like attach it to it. So the next thing is the extra battery. So they give you a battery that like the camera already, there's a battery in it already, okay, but this is like how do you call that thing? Like a power bank, right? This is like a power bank. And then so if you're outside and then your camera is dying, you just attach this and then it charges it for you. And then there's a tripod space over here, so you just, which also allows you to like attach it to the mini tripod and then you're good to go. If you don't want it, you just take it out. Good. Next, you get a charger. They give you a charger. Right. Next is a bag. They actually came in this. Oh yeah, I showed it earlier on. They actually came in this bag. So I think this is so cool because it helps contain everything. It helps contain everything. And it's like if you're going out, you just stack all your tools and accessories in this and then you're good to go. Like there's no need like there's no need to like put it in your bag and then with other things like your bottle. No, so just this contains everything. So the next is the wide angle lens. It helps you take like it's wide, it gives wide angles. So let's test it. Okay, I want you to like pay attention to my surroundings and then we test it. Okay, so 1 2 3, let's go. Did you realize there's a difference? The edges of my clock is now showing, and then the Amazon box, you can now see the entire box. Do you get it? Let me take it off so that we do it again. Do you see the entire box? Do you see the edge of my clock? No, you don't. So the wide angle like helps you get like a wide shot. So let me put it back, then we see again. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You see the entire box, and then you begin to see the edges of my cloth. Yeah, so that's all that it comes with. I got the creator combo. Okay, I got a creator combo. Some people decide to get only the camera, which I think is cool, because they probably have the mic, and they probably have different tripods, and they might not need a strap. But as I said, I've been vlogging on my iPhone. This is my first camera, so I decided to get the creator combo so that I will get a mic. Like I wouldn't have to go get a mic, so I got a creator combo, and now I have a mic and I have other accessories too. Yeah, so that is it. I would actually 100% recommend it, because actually I think this camera is the new age. I think this camera, because it's everywhere. It's TikTok, anywhere. Like you see DJI Osmo Pocket 3, you see the Pocket 3, you see everyone talking about the Pocket 3. So if you want to go get it, I'm in 100%. Go get it. Just that it's expensive, but it's okay. It's worth it. I think it's worth it. I think, yeah. So it's very much worth it. Go get it. Okay, go get it. I mean, it's your money. Spend it how you want to. Yeah. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Thank you.